Serbia, a country most people completely ignore when planning to move abroad. No huge migration hype, no massive YouTube promotion, and yet, quietly, more foreign workers are entering Serbia every year. Why? Because while millions of people compete for expensive countries like Germany, Canada, and the UK, some migrants are searching for affordable Europe pathways, lower competition, and realistic work opportunities. But here's the reality. Serbia is not the Europe dream most people imagine. This is not Switzerland, this is not Norway, and if your expectations are unrealistic, you may struggle financially very quickly. So the real question is, can Serbia actually help you build a future in Europe in 2026, or is it just another low-paying work destination? Today, we are going to break down the complete reality of Serbia work visa, including jobs, salaries, cost of living, visa process, and the hidden truths most people discover only after arriving. Because for some workers, Serbia becomes the first step toward a completely different life. Now, first, understand one important thing. Serbia is still developing compared to richer Western European countries. But because of growing industries and labor shortages, foreign workers are increasingly finding opportunities here, especially in sectors like construction, factories, manufacturing, logistics, transportation, warehouses, and hospitality. And this is why interest in Serbia is slowly increasing. Now, here's something important most people misunderstand. Not every country is about luxury salaries. Sometimes, a country simply gives you legal work opportunity, international experience, stability, and a pathway to move forward. And for many workers, Serbia becomes exactly that. Now let's talk about salaries. Average salaries for foreign workers may range around 700 to 1,800 euros per month, depending on overtime, company, accommodation support, and industry. Now, compared to Western Europe, these salaries are definitely lower. But here's the important reality. Living costs are also significantly lower, and because of that, some workers still manage moderate savings, especially if accommodation is partially covered. But now comes the hidden reality social media rarely shows. Working abroad is mentally harder than most people expect. Long shifts, language barriers, financial pressure, isolation, and emotional stress from living far away from family. This becomes extremely difficult for many workers after arrival. And honestly, understanding this before moving is extremely important. Now let's talk about living expenses. Rent may cost around 250 to 700 euros, food and utilities may cost 250 to 500 euros, transportation is relatively affordable. So overall, Serbia remains cheaper than many European countries. Now let's talk about the visa process. Most foreign workers enter through employer-sponsored work permits. Usually the process works like this. Company provides work contract, permit process starts, visa approval happens, then residence procedures continue after arrival. Now here's the dangerous reality. Fake agents and fake job offers. This is one of the biggest risks in migration. Some workers pay huge fees expecting easy Europe life, but later realize salary is lower, accommodation is poor, or work conditions are much harder than promised. And unfortunately, this happens more often than people realize. That's why verification is critical. Now, here's another hidden truth. Some people use Serbia strategically. They gain European region work experience, legal stay history, savings, and international exposure. Then, later, they try moving towards stronger European economies. And this is why smart migration is about long-term strategy, not hype. Because your first country does not always need to be your final destination. Now let's talk about language. English works in some environments, but Serbian language still helps significantly for workplace communication, daily life, and long-term stability. Now, here's the biggest mistake people make. They think entering Europe automatically guarantees success. That is simply not reality. Serbia is not for luxury lifestyle, huge salaries, instant financial freedom. Serbia is more about practical opportunities, affordable living, legal work pathways, and step-by-step progress. And honestly, for the right person, that becomes life-changing. Because the truth is, some people spend years waiting for perfect countries, while others quietly move forward with realistic opportunities and slowly build a better future. So, the final decision depends on you, your mindset, your expectations, your long-term strategy. Serbia is not a glamorous migration shortcut, but for the right person, it can become the beginning of something much bigger. And sometimes, one realistic opportunity is enough to completely change your future. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.